Hi, I've just made a start on my trumpeter Stuka. It's 1 to 24. I've just completed the engine and I haven't painted it yet, and I'm not sure if I will. Because as you can see, there's quite a few parts that do go into making the engine up. It is quite detailed. The same with this part. Again, you'll see hardly anything once it's in, and yet to assemble this there's quite a few steps to go. The exhaust, they will actually glue on to the engine, but all you'll see is what comes through here, which is not much at all. So I don't know how many of you would go to the trouble of painting and detailing the engine. As you can see on the back, there's a lot of detail. So again, you could just put this part, just that part in. Because you don't see anything. So the covers will be on here, you won't see anything, you won't see any of this. So I was going to paint it because I know then that it is finished. But now I'm thinking, oh, do I spend time on doing all this? As you can see, you do get a decal for the cockpit. Quite basic. I might actually paint some of it. I'll see how I go with that. Because also this is the measure split I did quite a while ago. It's an Airfix 1 to 24. And that came with the engine as well, although not as detailed as this one, but I did leave it out as you wouldn't see it anyway. Whereas this one is very detailed, so unsure whether to paint it or just put it in as it is. So I shall probably put it in but not paint it. As you can see, you would not see anything unless you left these covers off. You'd see a bit of it then. So it'd be nice to hear if, when people are doing kits, if there are parts you cannot see, whether you do actually detail them and finish them off. Again, with this part, so many parts, but all you'll see is this. So thank you for watching, and I shall get back to assembling this one and then painting. With the painting, with the German ones, it's easier to paint than say the British with the camouflage, as you just got to mask it off. Normally I'd use, say, blue tack to go round rather than trying to cut it out from masking tape, whereas this one's fairly easy. And it was the same with this one. It's all just straight and quite easy to mask up. Oh, this one came with a pilot. And again, with this one, the guns were actually detailed, but again, you just see that. Again, thank you for watching, and I shall get on with the assembly of this one and hopefully have it finished soon. As it's quite a large one, it's fairly easy to assemble. Well, thank you.